In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a new page on StrawPage. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your dashboard, you want to go and click on this Create a New Site button down here at the bottom. However, if you are currently inside your editor and you want to start from scratch, for example, you can first save it by clicking Save down here and then publishing your site. And then when you've done that, go back with this arrow over here, top left, or if you click on the Publish button, it's going to basically automatically take you over here to your main page, okay? Or the dashboard as we call it. So down here at the bottom, you now have the option to create a new site. And as you can see here, it's going to create a new site or a new page for you. And you can basically go ahead and choose like a theme or whatever you want to do here. So you completely can do that if you want to. And then you can start editing it. You can start adding on elements. You can start doing whatever you want with your page. Now, if you want to edit a new page inside this, you can also do that. So click on those three lines here at the bottom right, and then click on Pages. And from here, you can add a new page and then edit a new page. So if I name this one page 1, click on OK. There we go. As you can see, I can now switch between the home page and page 1 over here. And of course, I can go and make more of them if I want to, and then edit them however I wish. So that's essentially how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.